Good evening mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yuhay Pabi. So unboxing po tayo ng Pit Viper standard na R614-1. Ayan, so pakita mo. Ayan, so Army Armament, Taran Tactical Innovation, and Jag Precision License. Ayan, so unboxing po tayo. At syempre may sticker po yan nakasama. Pasubscribe na rin po yung ating Facebook and YouTube channel. Ayan. Then may kasamang manual. Ayan, for safety and instruction ng ating unit. At syempre magazine, so may base pad, so may logos yan. So 30 rounds magazine, high kappa magazine. And then ito yung unit natin na Army Armament na Pit Viper standard version, TTI Precision, Jag Precision. Ayan, so may compensator, serration, both side. And then may railings, pwedeng lagyan ng laser flashlight. Naka-extended mag release. So non-slip staple grip, naka-magwell na din po yan. Ayan, naka-ambidextrous safety, left and right. Yan po yung logos and markings, Pit Viper. So ito po ay John Wick 4. Naka fiber optic, front sight. And then yung rear sight niya ay removable, adjustable. Yan. And then yung kanyang outer barrel. Yan, color bronze po yan. Ayan. Okay. Naka-pivot tail, thumb safety. Yan. So, pinagkaiba ng standard and high-end version is yung kanyang internal parts ay upgraded, no? Mga steel and metal parts po. And then, may konting kakaiba na kulay dun sa high-end version. And then meron din po tayong Sun Viper nito na John Wick 4. Ayan. So sa mga gusto pong mag-avail ng unit, PM lang po kayo sa aking page and YouTube channel. Okay. Airsoft gas blowback pistol is a toy only. Always trigger finger out. Army Armament R614-1 Pit Viper John Wick 4. Thank you.